In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Figma to PPT PowerPoint. Start by opening your design in Figma. Before we do anything else, take a quick moment to look over your frames. Each frame you see in your file is going to become its own slide in PowerPoint. So it's important they're arranged in the order you want. Think of the frames as your storyboard. First frame equals first slide. Second frame equals second slide. And so on. Make sure the frames you want in the presentation are laid out clearly and named in a way that makes sense to you. Consistent sizing across frames will also help your slides look clean once exported. Next, open the plugin you will use for the conversion. Press Ctrl-K to bring up the Quick Actions menu. From there, go to Plugins, then type Figma to PPT in the search bar. When you see the plugin appear, click it to run. This opens the tool that handles the export and gives you a preview of which frames are about to become slides. Now, select all the frames you want to convert. You can click and drag a selection box around them on the canvas. Or select them from the Layers panel. With those frames selected, right-click anywhere on the selection, go to Plugins, and choose Figma to PPT again. This ensures the plugin is looking directly at your current selection. In the plugin window, you will see the list of frames ready to go. In the same sequence you arranged earlier. Take a second to glance through that list and confirm the order looks right. When everything is set, click Convert Selected Frames. The plugin will process your frames and automatically download a PowerPoint file to your computer. Depending on the size and number of frames, this might take a moment. Once the download finishes, open the PPT file to review it. You should see each frame from Figma represented as a slide in PowerPoint. In the same order you prepared. Keep in mind this process exports the visual design of each frame, so elements like animations or interactive components from Figma aren't carried over. What you get is a clean static slide deck that mirrors your layout. If something looks off, simply return to Figma, adjust the frames or their order, and run the plugin again. It's quick to iterate until everything looks just right. And that's it. Thanks for watching.